Hello Auto Rangers family. Welcome back to your #1 spot for in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into the futuristic beast, the all-new 2026 Tesla pickup truck, a ride that's redefining electric utility vehicles. Interior design. Step inside and you're greeted with a minimalist yet ultra-modern cabin. A massive 17-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, with Tesla's signature yoke-style steering. Premium vegan leather seats offer both comfort and durability. There's room for up to 6 passengers, and thanks to the flat floor and smart storage options, the space feels open and functional. Exterior design. On the outside, this pickup looks like it came from the future. The angular stainless steel exoskeleton not only turns heads, but it's bullet-resistant and built for toughness. Aerodynamic lines and the LED light bar running across the front give it an aggressive, high-tech look. It's bold, it's radical, and it's unmistakably Tesla. Performance VE uses. This truck isn't just about looks. It's built for action, towing up to 14,000 pounds and offering a payload capacity of over 3,500 pounds. Whether you're off-roading, hauling gear, or just cruising the highway, the Tesla pickup delivers power and practicality with zero emissions. Engine VE speed. Under the body, it's equipped with Tesla's tri-motor all-wheel drive setup. That means over 800 horsepower and an insane 0 to 60 in under 2.9 seconds. It's not just a truck, it's a rocket on wheels. Pricing VE company ownership. Pricing starts at around $55,000 for the base model, and goes up to $80,000 plus for the top-tier versions. Still competitive when compared to other electric trucks. And in case you forgot, this tech revolution is brought to you by Tesla, founded by the visionary Elon Musk. Auto Rangers family, the 2026 Tesla pickup truck is more than just transportation, it's a statement. Whether you're a tech lover, an adventurer, or someone who just loves futuristic rides, this truck delivers on every front. Thanks for watching, Rangers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Auto Rangers Car YouTube channel. We've got more powerful reviews coming your way. Stay tuned and stay revved up.